Wall ovens are stylish and functional kitchen appliances unlike traditional ranges, which features both a stove cooktop and an oven. The wall oven is installed separately from your cooktop. It allows you to cook at eye level and easily transfer it to your countertop or kitchen table. Wall oven also saves space in your kitchen and blends in with your existing design to create a sleek modern look. Helps you find the right model we've listed. Apart from the above 5 best wall ovens and their key features that you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you, links to all the products mentioned in the video are detailed below. So let's get started. Number 5, GE Profile 30-inch Smart Built-in Double Electric Convection Wall Oven with Air Fry and Precision Cooking. Stainless steel. With air fry and precision cooking, where innovation meets sophistication. This stunning stainless steel oven is designed to be the centerpiece of your kitchen. Is 51 1/8 inches high, 29 3/4 inches wide, and 26 3/4 inches deep. With a dual convection oven, you'll also enjoy cooking for every meal. Whether you're baking, roasting, or just reheating, this oven ensures that heat circulates efficiently, ensuring your food is perfectly cooked every time. Be cooked, and if you're a fan of crispy, golden brown delights, the built-in air fry feature is your new best friend. It provides all the leanness you love without the added oil, because who says you can't indulge while keeping it healthy? This wall oven is also smart, literally. It comes with app compatibility, which lets you control your oven from your smartphone. Preheat it on the way home or adjust the settings while you're relaxing on the couch. This is convenience at its best. And finally, the GE Profile 30-inch Smart Built-in Double Electric Convection Wall Oven with Air Fry and Precision Cooking isn't just an appliance. It's a game changer for your kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience with style, efficiency, and elevate performance with a dash of smart technology. Number 4, Cafe 30-inch Built-in Single Electric Convection Wall Oven, Customizable, Stainless Steel. Elevate your dining space with the Cafe 30-inch built-in single electric convection wall oven. This sleek stainless steel oven isn't just about looks, though it certainly has it in spades. It's modern, customizable with the design. It seamlessly integrates into any kitchen aesthetic, adding a touch of sophistication and style. Measuring a standard 30 inches, this oven offers the perfect cooking space for everything from holiday feasts to everyday meals. The convection feature ensures that your dishes are cooked evenly and thoroughly, thanks to its innovative fan system that circulates hot air around your food. That means you get consistent, mouth-watering results every time, no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. What sets this oven apart is its custom design. Whether you prefer sleek handles, a classic look, or a more modern touch, you can customize it to fit your kitchen's unique style. It's not just an oven, this is a statement piece. With its innovative features and elegant appearance, the Cafe 30-inch built-in single electric convection wall oven transforms cooking from a daily chore into an enjoyable experience. It's not just about cooking, it's about making it taste good. Number 3, Samsung 30-inch built-in single wall oven with Wi-Fi, stainless steel. Elevate your kitchen with the Samsung 30-inch built-in single wall oven with Wi-Fi. This sleek, stainless steel oven combines modern technology with elegant design, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Its 30-inch size offers a stylish, space-saving solution. With built-in Wi-Fi, control and monitor the oven remotely via the Samsung SmartThings app, allowing preheating, setting adjustments, and notifications from your smartphone. The convection cooking technology ensures even heat distribution for perfect results, whether baking, roasting, or cooking casseroles. Features include Wi-Fi connectivity, convection cooking, an intuitive control panel, and a large interior, blending style with exceptional performance. Number 2, Whirlpool 30-inch built-in single electric convection wall oven with Wi-Fi, stainless steel. Elevate your cooking with a Whirlpool 30-inch built-in single electric convection wall oven with Wi-Fi. This sleek, stainless steel appliance enhances any kitchen with its modern, space-efficient design. With Wi-Fi connectivity, control and monitor your oven remotely via the Whirlpool app, allowing preheating, settings adjustments, and notifications from your smartphone. The advanced convection technology ensures even cooking and browning, perfect for baking, roasting, and casseroles. User-friendly features include a digital control panel, self-cleaning function, and a spacious interior for large dishes. Combining versatile cooking modes with high-quality results, this oven is a valuable upgrade for any kitchen. Number 1. GE 30-inch built-in single electric wall oven, stainless steel. Transform your kitchen with the GE 30-inch built-in single electric wall oven. This sleek, stainless steel oven combines modern design with reliable performance, fitting seamlessly into contemporary kitchens. Its minimalist finish adds elegance, while its built-in design offers space-saving benefits. The oven delivers consistent, high-quality results with versatile cooking modes and a spacious interior for various dishes. Features include an intuitive control panel, self-cleaning function, and a large capacity for cooking multiple trays. Ideal for both everyday meals and special occasions, this oven enhances your kitchen with style, functionality, and convenience, making it a valuable addition. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.